Go ahead.
Get yourself a little photo about radio signals, I guess. You know, just you get your little user manual.
That's a nice styrofoam piece.
It is really cool. It's like a little book down there.
The Wand Company. Wow. I guess that's who made it.
Tape stuff out. It's like a little...
Oh yeah, tabs.
So this is like an actual case.
Yeah. No, that is an actual styrofoam case. Maybe you should watch your swearing. Like, you know.
Just a little bit. This is cool. It's finally here. Yeah.
And then you can register it.
Oh, that's with it. I think my arm's still too small for this.
Oh, you have to open it.
Oh, right.
Billy.
Dude, it's been a minute. Dude, that's sick.
Mm-hmm.
This is sick.
Turn it on.
I got you. Might need charged.
Probably not.
We'll see. What's this?
That's probably for the stand, right?
Yeah, probably.
Yep. But it should just have a power button, right?
Here.
It should be just like the video game. Yep.
Holy shit. This is sick. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Yo. I think it's that. Yeah, it's that. Controls your little things down there. And this... Oh, I guess we're irradiated, Dad. It's over. Is that right? No,
today's not the 29th of January.
No, I don't think it's...
1978.
Oh, that's... Okay. And I think I can... Oh, where's my phone?
I don't know, what do you wear?
There's this app on here that's like, you can link it, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, with your game?
Yeah. Dude, apparently I'm just loaded to the brim.
Yeah,
I'm an eco-terrorist, I guess. And then I think this is...
And then... Oh, the flashlight. See if the flashlight works.
How do I, is it this?
Nope,
No,
that's
I
the
just
power
turned it off.
button.
So where's the... Like, what's, Does this press down? Yes, it does. Okay, cool.
Oh, it's got a real flashlight.
Oh, that's cool. Dude, you can... Okay, that's cool. No, don't. It's very sensitive.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, an alarm. So I can have...
Yeah, you can set this up as a clock.
Oh my god.
That's what it stands for.
That's cool. Wait, that's...
It only took... What is it? Almost 7 months for from order to come here.
EST is 3 hours ahead, right? Or is it behind? I think
Eastern
it's behind.
Standard Time?
Yeah.
We are Eastern Standard Time.
This is not Eastern Standard Time.
I don't know what UTC stands for.
It's like the...
It's not Greenwich Mean Time. That'd be GMT.
Hold up. Oh. Oh, it's 5 hours behind.
So where's UTC?
It's Coordinator Universal Time.
Oh.
It's 2078, I guess.
I thought, isn't it supposed to be in the future? Right?
I mean, I could move from a time traveler.
6.
Yeah, I know.
23rd.
23rd. And then the time's already right. Dude.
The rads are supposed to move too up here.
They are. They have been the entire
Oh,
time.
okay.
It's really cool. Oh my gosh.
Pip Boy mode. What's that?
I think that's... Oh, that's like...
Oh, Fallout 3. A New Vegas.
Oh,
okay.
dude. Oh, dude.
Yeah.
It's lit. Is there more? Oh, okay, cool.
So those two. The two popular ones, right?
Well, that's what the Model 3000 was on. That,
yeah, of course.
so that's even cooler.
Makes sense.
Because, you know, New Vegas was my favorite.
Yeah.
Is that everything on there? Okay, cool. And we've... The world... Oh, hell yeah. How do I go left and...
No, I don't think they had touchscreen in that game. Maybe you gotta click and then move it.
I don't know.
Nope.
I thought there was like another dial.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. And then there should be a way to zoom out, I'm pretty sure, but I don't know.
And you can play the game on this. Not the actual, like,
Well,
Fallout game, but
yeah,
the mini game.
the little mini games. Dude, this is so sick.
So go to the mini game.
Probably be on radio. Oh, this is an actual radio. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Hold up, wait.
Go down. I don't know what radio's saying. We were out here in the country, dude. I
I don't think we're gonna get
anything. Maybe you went outside.
Yeah, maybe. I think this is just gonna be like a video game thing here. Usually it's in like MISC. That little... Yeah, right there. Yeah,
Oh, that's funny.
dude. Oh. I don't know how to play this.
Probably two hands. Oh, that's too hard.
Yeah, no, I don't know how you're supposed to...
How you're supposed to do two hands, like this?
Everything's gone.
Do it like this.
I think maybe like that. Yeah, no, everything's gone, man. It's over. Oh my gosh. How do we get back? Items. Okay. And then stats. Oh man, dude, I'm just...
How's this special work?
I'm just
do you think it
bored
actually? Do you think it actually highlights everything?
If it does, it's very wrong. Yeah, because I have 6 strength. Yeah, 100. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Super strong.
I feel like my
Perception's really good.
I feel like it would be like 2.
Mm-hmm.
And that's definitely wrong. Luck is not there. Considering our luck, it's pretty bad. Just neutral there. Okay. I guess we're just like people pleasers.
The data again. Oh, this is just all the...
But it has like everything from the game. This is awesome.
Okay. Well, was it worth the money?
I think
Okay.
I would buy this for 300.
I think it was more than 300.
It probably was.
I can't
Considering
remember
this.
how much it was since it was almost 7 months ago. Well, no, it was 7 months ago when I ordered it.
Yeah. I wonder how this works, because, you know, obviously there's nothing here right now.
There's always some radiation
Well,
places.
Not like
Yeah, not.
we're not
33.
we're not getting 48 rocking right
Yeah.
now. So I wonder if it's like light resistant
No, I'm sure it's gotten light resistant. You mean,
or detecting
Yeah.
whatever.
or it might use like right in like magnetic waves instead.
Yeah. I wonder if I have to like connect this to the internet and update it.
I don't know.